Well, hi everybody, and welcome to Moodle Support Theater. We are in video number 3 in the Gradebook series, and we're looking at simple weighted means of grades, the most popular method on the HSU campus. Let's come to the left-hand column. Let's choose the block that says Settings, and let's click on Grades. That'll bring us into our gradebook, and as you saw in our last episode, we have some sample students and some sample data. We're going to come to the top. We're going to choose Categories and Items. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit so this is all nicely centered up. If you remember in the last video, we did all simple weighted means of grades, and if you look at the top of this class in the dark colored area, we now have weighted means of grades set at the very top and simple set for each of the categories. Now in the last version, all simple weighted means of grades, you could say something was worth 30% of the grade, but you'd have to calculate that yourself. In this version, let's look at the first category. Over here on the left, it says Reading, 30%. We see in the center it says Simple Weighted Means of Grades, but by choosing Weighted Means of Grades for the very top, the overall course designation, we now have in the Weight column a block appears and you type 30%. That'll actually calculate the value of this category against the overall course total. We come a little bit more to the right and you notice each of our 2 assignments in the reading category are worth 100 points. Yet we look at the course total, it says 100. And if you come down the page, each of the totals is 100, including field study, which is 2 20-point assignments. And here we see the course total at the very bottom, also 100. That's because we're using percentages. We are saying that each category is worth a specific percentage of the 100% total. So you must put 100% in all totals, both category and course. Now I have had professors say, Bill, I want my students to see the numerical value of points they're getting. And you can do it. Let's go to the slide I've prepared. And here's an example where I have set, notice, Reading, the very top item, to its correct value of 200 points. If you wish to do this, as you see highlighted down the page, you must highlight everything with the accurate point value. Each category total and the course total must all use the same method. It's an all or nothing event. You will have a problem if you put several at 100% and several adding up to a numerical value. It's an all or nothing event. Let's go back to our actual page. We'll put the slide away and we're back in our actual Moodle course. Notice we have the weight column and then we have the extra credit column at the top, and looking in each category there are boxes that allow you to check for extra credit. This is not something you're going to find in the next tape, the next version, which is full weighted means of grades. So this allows you to set extra credit. Let's review very quickly. The simplest method on campus and the most popular, your overall course total is set to weighted means of grades, and this allows you to give a percentage value of the overall course to each category. For it to work effectively, you must choose all 100% for course and category totals, or the actual numerical value for each category and course total. As always, you're going to want to save your changes, and that is about it. It's really just that simple. Come on back next time. We will look at full weighted means of grades. That is a more robust but a bit more complex in its overall grade calculation method. If you need help between now and then, we are in Library 315 and can be reached at 3633. Thank you.